Glinting emerald and jet, with tails like ribbons of midnight. This is the long-tailed hummingbird, Jamaica's national bird. Tiny as they are, they keep our forests blooming, carrying life from flower to flower.
The long-tailed hummingbird, we call it the doctor bird, is Jamaica's national treasure. Just look at those shimmering feathers and the tails that dance in the breeze, living jewels in the forest. But their home is shrinking. Every tree we plant, every garden we grow.
We will protect our national bird. We are Jamaicans.
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 We will protect our national bird.